In this video, I'm going to show you how to create entities in Dialogflow. So the first thing you have to do, of course, inside Dialogflow, you want to select your correct agent. So I have a tutorial agent selected over here, and then you want to go to entities, which is the second tab here on the left, and you want to click on create entity at the very top right. And then in here, you first must give it a name. So I'm just going to name it tutorial 1 for this instance because it's just for this tutorial. And then here you want to basically go ahead and first define synonyms. And of course, you could then go ahead and define different other things as well over here. But the most basic part is define synonyms. You have to go to where it says click here to edit entry. You have to give the reference value. So I'm going to just type in tutorial over here. And then the synonyms are going to be, let's say, guide. And then you want to press enter. And then I'm going to do how to. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do. And after you've done that, just click on the save button top right. And as you can see here, it's been added into my synonyms or into my entities. And if I now click on entities over here, there we go. I now have tutorial 1 entity and it's in here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.